Now here's the juice hack if it's all organic. Don't toss the rind. Juice it. There are so many vitamins, minerals, antioxidants in the rind. You can watch my video on what each of the 3 colors of the watermelon represents nutritionally. I use my Nama J2 juicer, which I think is the queen of all juicers. I have the large hopper in here right now so that I can throw more produce in at one time. And the best part about Nama is you can just set it and forget it. It's a cold press juicer, which means the nutrients stay intact. You can get the Nama J2 and any of the accessories with 10% off when you use my discount code VeRAWonica. And grab Nama's free mocktail guide. Links are both in the bio. I'll juice the rind next and add it to my green juice, and boom, I just turned the rind into a summer super juice, straight from the farmer's market and into my glass. Delicious. Hey, it sometimes happens. All that precious juice. If I wasn't filming, I'd be licking it up. Cheers. Oh, there is nothing better than fresh, organic, raw juice. So juice the whole watermelon. Have a raw amazing day.